How to make money as a student. Are you a student and looking for online jobs to earn money at home? Are you searching for the real online jobs that you can do at home without investment? If yes, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll discover a few tested and tried ways to make money online without much investment. Internet is a double-edged sword. You can either use it to waste your time or you can use it to build a career. Fortunately, we're living in the digital era, where ordinary guys like me are using the power of the internet to earn thousands of dollars each month. So if you're looking for some inspiration on how to start making money as a student, make sure to check out this video. Let's get started. Number 1. Become a freelancer. Hands down, freelancing is the best way to make money as a student. When it comes to making money online, the first thing that struck my mind is freelancing. Here are a few freelancing jobs you can try. Programming. You don't have to be an expert in programming to make money online as a student. You can code and write programs that will help you create apps. Later, you can monetize them depending upon the downloads. Web development. You can learn JavaScript, PHP, etc. to develop websites from scratch. Again, there's a lot of demand for people who develop sites. Design. If you are good at logo designs or even making blog designs, you'll find a lot of people contacting you. Writing. Everyone with limited writing skills can start making money. There are a lot of writing gigs available online, including Fiverr, Odesk, etc. Data entry. Data entry is another big area where more and more people are now jumping in to make money online. I'll talk more about this later in the same post. Although you can try a few sites like freelancer.com to start making money from freelancing, we strongly suggest you start a blog and create a strong portfolio for your desired skills to attract clients that pay you a big amount. Here are a few freelancing sites you could try. Upwork.com, peopleperhour.com. How much can you earn from freelancing? It entirely depends on your experience. If you have a good experience, say 2 to 3 years in your field, you can ask for high amounts, whereas if you're just starting out, start with $10 to $30 per hour. Just make sure to focus on getting your first customer and give them quality stuff. You'll find a few more gigs from the same customer if you're offering top-notch work. That way, you'll be able to make money as a college student without spending much time finding new customers. Number 2. Become a web tutor. Are you interested in teaching others? Then try online tutoring. It gives you plenty of room to improve and money to make without putting any investment whatsoever. Skills required to become an online tutor: adequate English writing skills, sufficient skills to use the internet and the ability to use different web apps, passion for teaching others online. You can use sites like tutors.com to find tutoring jobs online. How much can you make by becoming a web tutor? It depends on your hourly rate. Few sites pay each and every month, where you have to work a minimum of 3 to 4 hours every day, whereas few other sites pay an hourly rate. You can easily make around $30 to $50 every day if you're good at what you teach. Where can you start using your teaching skills to become a web tutor and start making money as a student? Although there are hundreds of places available online to sell your teaching skills, here I'm listing only a few sites that offer excellent features to their users. Do check them out: tutor.com and tutorvista.com. Number 3. Become a freelance content writer. Are you good at writing? Or do you have writing skills on writing any topic? If yes, article writing is for you, where you can easily find clients to make money with each and every day. There are a lot of bloggers who need content writers, so all you have to do is find a few blogger communities and search for content writing gigs. You can also start a blog and start providing your writing services to attract more clients who are interested in your work. Or you can use sites like Upwork, People Per Hour, etc. to find freelance content writing jobs. The money you make through article writing directly depends on the branding and writing skills you have. The better your writing portfolio is, the better pay you will get from your clients. If possible, start a blog and start attracting more people to read and share your stuff. Also, offer your writing services by including your writing skills on the portfolio page. Trust me, you will attract a lot of quality buyers if you post quality content on your blogs. Read better blogs like Copyblogger, etc. to hone your writing skills and make more money from article writing. Make sure to improve your marketing skills to attract better clients who pay you a decent amount for every article you write. Also, deal in article packages instead of getting paid for writing one article. That way, you'll be able to earn more and also can offer huge discounts for your article packages to your clients. Number 4. Become a VA or virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are required everywhere. As a VA, you'll have to do micro jobs. Micro jobs are the newest trending jobs online that are helpful to anyone who's willing to put their free time to work on the services they're good at. The great thing about micro jobs is that you don't need expert level skills to make a decent income every month. Sites like Fiverr help you make money online without putting in any investment. The best thing about making money online through micro jobs is that you don't have to be an expert. You just need the basic skills in several fields to make a decent income each and every day. Here are a few sites that offer micro jobs for you: flexjobs.com, upwork.com, and VA Jobs. Number 5. Get paid to take surveys. One of the best online jobs for students is to look for paid surveys. They don't require any expert skills. You can start taking the surveys right away to make money. For instance, you can consider a website like swagbucks.com, which pays for answering surveys, shopping online, etc. Swagbucks uses PayPal to pay you cash or gift cards from Amazon. It pays you by providing gift cards as soon as you earn at least $3 in your account. Similarly, there are a ton of websites you can use for paid surveys. Make sure that most of the paid surveys you find online are mostly spam websites where you won't get any money even after finishing your tasks, so make sure to analyze the sites that offer paid surveys. You can also make money as a student by transcribing. Transcribing is nothing but listening to audio or video and simply making it into a text version. If you're really good at typing and have some basic listening English skills, you'll make plenty of money every day by transcribing. Moreover, these jobs are really easy to find and you don't need any prior experience to make money from this service. Number 6. Start blogging. The blog you're currently reading was launched in 2010. In the beginning, we struggled to generate traffic and money, but now it's generating a full-time income. Blogging is a surefire way to build a career online as a student. More and more people are now jumping into blogging because of one reason. Blogging is one of the best ways to make passive income. That means you don't have to work each and every day to make money online if you set up a profitable blog. Although blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme, you can make really good money each month by providing different services, selling products, and writing paid reviews, etc. Number 7. Become a YouTuber. Have you lately observed the new popular trend on YouTube? More and more people are now jumping into video marketing and making new videos. Do you know why? It's because you can make money by posting videos on YouTube. It doesn't matter what topic your videos are related to. From cooking to shooting your own bike riding videos, you can make money from YouTube. You just need to create your own YouTube channel. It's free. You just need a Gmail account to start. And you can start making your own videos to get more views on YouTube. So how can you make money by posting new videos on YouTube, you may ask? Once you generate more likes and views on your YouTube videos, you can start getting paid $1 to $2 for every 1,000 views you get. Let's say if you get 1 million views on any of your YouTube videos, you will earn something close to $1,000 to $2,000 easily. Advantages of online jobs for students. First off, making money online is really fun. Once you're addicted to making money online, you will never go back to Facebook to poke your friends in your free time. Here are a few more advantages of doing online jobs. You don't have to be a prolific writer to make money online, but having good writing skills helps you make more money. You don't need special skills to make money part-time. Instead of using the internet for random chats on Facebook, you can make money in your spare time. You can buy your own stuff without asking your parents or robbing a bank. Making money in your spare time always motivates you to start your own business in the future, instead of working for someone else's goals. You will develop a lot of social skills, such as networking, writing well, email outreach skills, etc., while making money as a student. Above all, you don't need to wait until the end of your graduation or PG to start making money. And if you started making money even before you graduate, you can find a lot better job opportunities once you come out of college. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.